Characters of The Wizard of Oz. The King. The king is named simply after his role served to his subjects. He is greedy, but he maintains a sense of humor. Jokes are often centered to his height, about 3 feet. He wears a crown and a cape that makes him look like a playing card. He has a thin skin and a short temper, especially about his time. He hackles by the peasants, who to his despair often proclaim the king is drunk. However, he is occasionally shown to have a curious softer side, and it is mentioned his only friends are the most monsters, and his pets are dragon and a Saint Bernard dog named Bonaparte.